himself, and they will be hoping for a recovery. He's not done much wrong, has he? But he finds himself 3-1 down.
Yeah, it's a brutal nature of snooker, where your opponent's at the table potting on the balls. There's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Looking at the stats, they're just incredible. The first four. Live pot success, Ding's actually 100%. Ronnie 98. The actual pot success, Ronnie's at 96 and Ding's at 97. It's like a basketball match, isn't it? It's like end-to-end stuff.
Well, we're in the right venue for that, in fairness, the Leicester Riders. But Ding here, he knows every chance he's going to have to make count. And he's in at the start of frame 5.
Yeah, basically the only way he can put pressure on Ronnie is by basically winning frames in one visit.
Thank you. 5. $13.
If he can leave the cue ball somewhere where the pink is here, he may have a red to right corner. That's the reason he played for the pink. Pink will now go on the brown spot.
90.
Not sure if the two reds above the black, if any are potable to any of the corners, so an angle on whichever colour he decides to play for here is required.
20.
Yeah, this is a big shot of 2 cushions into the side of the pack. But if there is a weakness in Junhui's game, it's playing with extreme power.
20. 1. $7.
We saw it at the end of the UK final against Ding from 7 each. He produced 3 incredible frames there.
18. $19.
He decided to play for the single one. The strike was perfection. I mean, it's just as if he refuses to leave the table until the frame's won. Pretty much perfect.
Well, Ding had the chance. He missed the pink at pace, trying to get into the reds. And it looks like he's going to be punished again. And I tell you what, I hope he's enjoying this, because if he's not, then what is the point, really? This is how everybody who's ever picked up a cue dreams of playing snooker.
44.
Yeah, I mean, I used to be quite good at snooker myself, but this is just another. As you say, the speed that he's doing it and the control of the cue ball, the striking of the cue ball,
50.
is just, as I said before, perfection.
58.
That was funny, because as soon as he hit the cue ball, there was a little grimace because he knew he'd overhit it. He wasn't perfect on the blue.
63.
I mean, this wasn't the easiest
60.
chance when he came to the table. He's made it look easy.
$72.
Well, it's the great thing about sport, I think. If you weren't watching, you might not believe it. 48 years of age, but still somehow the youngest man on tour. The blue drops, of course it does.
77.
It wouldn't dare not. So Ding had the chance. It didn't come to much. In step Ronnie O'Sullivan. And once again he punishes with great panache. A clear and